Let's add effects to our video clip. To do that, all you need to do is to click on the Effects tab over here. If you don't see that tab, go window up here and make sure that Effects is enabled. So to add effects, you can go over here and, for example, choose blurs, for example, and just drag and drop the effect to your video clip. And it will automatically take you to the Controls tab, and over here you can see the effects. Just now like this, and you can see that now we have a diffuse on our video clip. I will now disable it and go to effects again, and for example let's add some distortions and add this bulge, for example, like this. Drop it and move the bulge over here, and under the controls you can see that we have the bulge effect, so you can make it stronger or bigger like this. And this is practically it. Just use the effects and drag and drop it to the video clip. And this is it. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day. Bye bye.